Let's unleash the rustic designer.
Another way to use tin items is as planters. You can find all sorts of cute tin pots and buckets that are perfect for displaying your favorite plants. And because tin is durable and water resistant, you don't have to worry about them rusting or corroding. You can also use tin watering cans as decorative items. They're not just functional, but they also add a touch of vintage charm to your space. You can even use them to water your plants. I also love using tin as storage solutions. You can find all sorts of tin boxes, baskets, and buckets that are perfect for storing small items like office supplies or kitchen utensils. And because they're made out of metal, they're also sturdy and long-lasting. Tin items are very affordable. You can find them at most home decor stores or online, and they usually don't cost a lot of money. So even if you're on a budget, you can still add some rustic charm to your home. Now, if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try painting or distressing your tin item to give them a unique look. There are plenty of tutorials online that show you how to do it, and it's a fun and creative way to decorate your home. You can also find these tin pieces at flea markets, but use them sparingly and they add a really nice touch. I'm talking about little tin goats, pigs, armadillos, and stuff like that. Now remember, these tin items never go out of style, so you could use them year after year. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.